Hello everyone, Mr. McCarthy here. It looks like today is going to be a beautiful day outside, and after all of our rain yesterday, I hope you're able to get outside today. Let's talk about today. First activity is called the Shotput, and what you're going to need is a pair of socks. You're going to fold them up into a ball like this. Then you're going to design a circle either in your house or outside, a place where you can stand in, similar to the shape of a hula hoop. And then you're going to create some markers, places in which you're going to attempt to throw, maybe 5 feet, maybe 10 feet. And then to throw the sock put, you're going to place the sock next to your neck, and you're going to point in the direction you're going to throw it. You're going to step, and then you're going to throw it. But it must start with the ball or your socks next to your neck, step, and throw. And then get a tape measure and see how far you've thrown it. Challenge your family and friends to the sock put activity. Next is the fitness fortune teller. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the square below and follow the directions. In the 4 corners, you're going to write 4 different colors. And on here, they use the examples of red, green, blue, and yellow, but you can use any 4 colors you want. And then write the numbers 1 through 8, and then 8 activities. They use the activities as push-ups, jumping jacks, wall sit, burpees, plank, toe touches, squats, and belly press. But you can use whatever 8 activities you want, and then show your friends and family, or have them join in the activity with you, and be active together. Next is the scavenger hunt in the neighborhood. Color each picture as you find it. So again, you're going to travel with your friends or family in the neighborhood and try to find a blue flower, bike, bird, octagon sign, purple flower, car, cat, rhombus sign, pink flower, truck, squirrel, rectangle sign, red flower, skateboard, dog, and square sign. Great activity to be outside with your friends and family. And finally, color by fitness. Perform the exercise in the shape, then color it using the key below. Green, squats, letter S. Pink, burpees, letter B. Blue, push-ups, letters PU. Orange, sit-ups, SU. Purple, jumping jacks, JJ. Yellow, lunges, letter L. Red, mountain climbers, MC. And finally, white, cross jacks, letters CJ. Again, keep sharing with me the activities that you're going to do this week. Have a great time. Be active. Talk to you later.